Thank you, Chairman sir, for giving me an opportunity to speak on a very important issue under Rule 377. Sir, after the implementation of Direct Benefit Transfer (DBT) for National Social Assistance Program (NSAP) and Madhu Babu Pension Yojana (NBPY) for pension in the state, sir, it has created havoc in many places in Raigad and Koraput districts, causing inconveniences to thousands of pensioners and vulnerable people, especially the elderly in rural areas. Sir, around 4,376 Gram Panchayats in Odisha have no banking facilities. Even existing banks are unable to bear the burden of large number of pensioners due to acute staff shortage. Odisha has been disbursing pension in cash on 15th of every month at the Gram Panchayat level and urban local body headquarters. Previously, beneficiaries in rural areas could opt out to receive their payments in cash until an adequate banking infrastructure is set up in proximity to the Gram Panchayats. The situation on the ground has not changed much, but Odisha government has now implemented direct benefit transfer for pension. The recent visits to Borgi, Kumari, Langalbeda, Naranpatna, Boriguma, Nilabadi in Koraput districts reconfirmed the miseries by listening to the grievances of the people. I would request the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi to kindly look into the matter and allow disbursing pension in cash to mitigate the sufferings of the people till adequate banking facilities are made available in remote areas, especially the tribal areas. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me the opportunity.